Did you know that you can boost your online ad response by as much as 400% by using something called retargeting? And businesses like yours that use a retargeting strategy have a huge advantage over their competition. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled Retargeting Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand how retargeting works, the difference between retargeting and remarketing, and everything else you need to know to make the best decision possible. This report in no way is endorsed or in partnership with any third-party provider or service. It is for educational purposes only based on our research and experience. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.